Hey everyone, David Parker here, your financial nerd. Today I have an exciting video for you. I'm going to reveal my long-term, $800,000 high-growth stock portfolio on M1 Finance, which is made up of only 4 companies. I will tell you how many shares I own of each stock, and why. I will also tell you if I think it's a good time for you to open up a position in these companies. But before I reveal my portfolio, please go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Because it takes a lot of time to produce this content, and you'll also receive 7 years of good luck. Just a note before we get started, that the amount of money in this portfolio may seem like a lot, and that it's out of reach for some of you. I want you to know, I started from absolutely nothing. This portfolio is accumulation of many years of saving and investing in different stocks and cryptocurrency over the years. You can achieve similar results by just being consistent with your investing, educating yourself, and being patient. The first one in my portfolio is Virgin Galactic stock, symbol SPCE. I own 1817 shares of SPCE stock at an average purchase price of $22.73. Making up 4% of my portfolio. Virgin Galactic is a British spaceflight company owned by Richard Branson. It's developing commercial spacecraft and aims to provide spaceflights to space tourists and launches for space science missions. They also plan on entering the global aviation service market. Imagine being able to go from Los Angeles to Tokyo in just 2 hours. This service alone could promise billions of dollars in revenue for Virgin Galactic. If you have an appetite for risk, then I think right now is a good time to open a position in the Virgin Galactic stock. They have completed 27 out of 29 milestones, and they plan to send Richard Branson on a rocket in the first quarter of 2021. Space tourism flights will follow shortly afterward. Overall, with the mix of upbeat bank recommendations, the proximity to launching its first flight, and the potential of billions in revenue, I'm very bullish on SPCE. I think its current price point would be a good entry for a new position. But remember, only invest what you are willing to lose. This is a speculative stock. Up next is Square stock, symbol SQ. I own 451 shares of SQ stock at an average purchase price of $186.79, making up 10% of my portfolio. Square is a financial services company based in California. They provide point-of-sale hardware and payment software for small businesses. The company's CEO is Jack Dorsey of Twitter, which is a bonus. Square's original appeal was that it made it easy for small businesses to accept payments quickly from a phone or tablet just by attaching a Square device. They also allowed business owners to focus on their operations with their Square software. It covered inventory, payroll, and loans. Square's original business model has been a huge success. Additionally, Square has now branched out into other lines of business. Most notably, the company's person-to-person payment app, Cash App. This app could be a key growth driver over the next decade. During Square's second quarter, Cash App had more than 30 million monthly active users, up from 24 million in December 2019. I think Square is merely scratching the surface of its market. I would be incredibly surprised if Square stock does not triple in price in the next few years. I think right now is a good time to load up on more shares or open a new position. Third in line is Pinterest stock, symbol PINS. I own 1,855 shares of PINS stock at an average purchase price of $44.16, making up 12% of my portfolio. Pinterest is an internet photo sharing and publishing service that allows users to pin pictures they like and upload their own recommendations to their pin boards. Pinterest has been described as a visual search engine. Most social media companies have hit a user growth wall, but not Pinterest. They have a reported 400 million monthly active users since August 2020, and they're onboarding new users at an alarming rate. Pinterest's integrations to e-commerce are arguably its most attractive feature. With its users willingly posting about the products, places, and services that interest them, it makes perfect sense for Pinterest to connect these users with small businesses that cater to their needs. In other words, Pinterest users are highly motivated consumers. Pinterest is simply the bridge platform to get these already motivated consumers to make a purchase. Pinterest has already partnered with one of the biggest e-commerce platform leaders, Shopify. With their immense growth and partnerships, they are set up to triple their sales every 3 to 4 years. I'm very bullish on Pinterest. I think we'll see a share price of around $200 by 2023. I would not feel bad adding more shares at these prices or opening up a new position. Last on the list is Tesla stock, symbol TSLA. I own 1,399 shares of TSLA stock, at an average purchase price of $365.34, making up a whopping 74% of my portfolio. Tesla is an American electric vehicle and energy company. They mainly produce electric cars, but they also dabble in other clean energy sectors like solar. They are leading the massive shift from unsustainable energy to clean energy. CEO Elon Musk continues to beat expectations since 2008. They are estimating 500,000 cars sold in 2020, and around 840,000 to 1 million in 2021. With Tesla consistently lowering their cost of production, we can expect to see a $25,000 car, bringing electric vehicles to the masses, and helping to push their sales through the roof. Tesla is the master of self-driving cars. They have their hands-off, fully autonomous software in beta testing, and expect its final release by 2021. With full self-driving, Tesla will open up their Tesla Taxi service, an Uber-like service, without human drivers. Tesla is also a revolutionary insurance company. They will no longer charge their customers based on their age, but rather on how they drive. Tesla collects an immense amount of data from their drivers. With this data in hand, Tesla's insurance rates should completely blow away their competition. With so many incredible catalysts on the horizon, I think we'll see a share price of around $3,000 by 2025. I will be picking up more shares of Tesla on red days to further increase my holdings. As you can now see, I mainly invest in high-growth stocks that I think have huge upsides in the next decade. If you would like to get started investing in stocks just like me, you can download the M1 Finance Investing app. They have zero commission fees, and make investing so easy, with their investment pies and automatic deposits. Just create your investment pie with the stocks that you want, set up an amount to deposit each month automatically, and let time build your wealth. I'm David Parker. Until next time, stay sane.